Welcome to another video for today. Today's video we have given question x power x equals to 2 power 8 power 3. You're supposed to find the value of x. Solution. And of course here we have to copy what we have. We have x power x equals to 2 power 8 power 3. Of course, when we write 8 power 3, this is equal to 8 times 8. And of course, right here we shall say x power x is equals to 2 power 8 times 8 times 8. Right? Then x power x is equals to 2, and this 8 can be written as 2 times 4, then times 8 times 8. At this stage, we shall say x power x is equals to 2 power 2 power 4 times 8 times 8. And of course here, x power x is equal to 4 power 4 times. This one can be written as 4 times 2 times 8. Right? Then x power x will be 4 power 4 times 4 power here 2 times. This one can be written as 4 times 2. Of course, x power x will be 4 power. We have 4 times 4, and these 2 times 2 times 4 times 4 again we have right here. Right? Then here x power x will be 4. When you have here 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, this is equal to 4 power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then here we shall say it is 4 power 4. At this stage we have same base, same power, and same power again. We shall say that our x is equals to 4. And of course we have to check if our answer is correct, because we have given here x is equals to 2 power 8 then power 3. When you have 4 power 4 is equals to what? And of course this is 4 power 2 power 8 times 3 power 3. Of course this is 2 then power here can be 2 power 3 then power 3, which is equal to 4 power 4 power 4, which is equal to, here we can say 4 power 3 times power 3. And of course when you set this 2 power 3, I have to check it out well, where we have, let's say that 4 power 4 is equal to, of course here we can say 2 power 8 power times 8 times 8, where 4 power 4 is equal to, here we can say it is 2 power 4 times 2 times 4 times 2 times 4 times 2, which is equal to 4 power 4, which is equal to, this and this will be 4 power 4, this and this to be 4, this one. Okay, have this which is equal to 4 and this which is equal to 4 and write 4 again. And this is our solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.